Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I don't know my name. Do you know me? I don't know me. Who is she? Today I played with the Belle Jorden Obsession palette. So my thoughts on that palette are in this video. This is also one of the lips from her lip kit. Before we get into the tutorial, I have two things I want to show you guys. First, I want to show you guys the mirror that I have been filming with. Look, there's me. So this is the Glamcore Riki Skinny Mirror. It's just a mirror, who cares? Wrong. It's got lights. You can make them really bright or not so bright. It comes with a magnetic magnifying mirror, but the best part, it has an attachment that you put your phone on, and it has Bluetooth. So you put your phone on here, you turn on the light, you connect the Bluetooth, and you hit the picture button, and you've got a perfectly lit selfie. They sent me this mirror and the tall mirror, which is massive. I can't really show you, it's really big. That one is big enough to go on your vanity or in the bathroom, and that one actually comes with a remote, so you can take your selfies with the remote. And it has the attachments, the mirror, the phone stand, Bluetooth, dimmable light, rechargeable. They are amazing. They sent me over these mirrors free of charge so that I would share them with you guys, and I love them. I also wanted to show you guys the amazing necklace that I'm wearing. These necklaces are by Candace Tripp. She is an incredible artist. I will link her Instagram down below. And I have an extra of both of these necklaces that I'm going to send one of you. I'm gonna do the giveaway on Instagram, so make sure to check out @itslikelymakeup on Instagram to find out how to win these super amazing necklaces. Let's do some makeup. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I need a new one. Just one little pump. And we're gonna fill in those pores, especially in the big pore areas, which for me is pretty much this area. And then with whatever product I've left on my hands, I'm just gonna pat it everywhere. We're gonna do a super milky complexion today, and by milky, I mean milk makeup. I'm just gonna squeeze it right out of the tube and onto my face. What shade am I using? I am using the shade Golden Light, and then blending it all out with a sponge. This has been my favorite sponge recently, I'm pretty sure that this is my Fenty sponge. We are going full coverage, full glam today, and I am excited. Now I'm gonna conceal and highlight with the Porcelain Flex Concealer, highlighting under my eyes and down the center of my face. And then we blend again. Now I'm gonna go in and contour with the contour stick in Blaze. Get those cheekbones popping, jawline popping, and blending that out with the Furless Pro 6F brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pro 4E, which is an angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna pick up some of the product off the stick, and I'm gonna go in and contour my nose, first going down both sides, like so. And then shading across the bottom, and then I'm gonna take some right across here. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. This is the P86 from Sigma. Then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of my porcelain concealer, and I'm just gonna go in and highlight the tip and down the center. And then carefully dab that out. Now I'm gonna go in and set my face with the Milk Blur and Set Powder. Using the Pro 2F, I'm just gonna press the powder under my eyes, use it to accentuate this contour, and really press the powder into any areas where my makeup creases, and set the rest of my face. Just using patting motions on my forehead because it's really dry. If I pull across it with the brush, it goes really badly. Also setting my eyelids. For my nose, I'm gonna go in and use the powder and my sponge. Using the very edge of the sponge, I'm gonna go in and bake the sides of the contour, and then using the little corner and down the center. And then using a big fluffy face brush, I'm just gonna go in and make sure I've set my contour as well. And when we brush off this powder, I'll make sure to set the contour on there with the extra powder. I'm just gonna show you guys how disgusting my brushes are in hopes that it makes me feel embarrassed, and I'll wash them. They're so gross, and this is only 1 cup of the brushes. They're all like this. I'm gonna do my brows now, and since I'm putting on a very dark wig, I'm going to do a very dark brow. So I'm actually just gonna use a black eyeshadow like I used to back in the day. Since this is the amazing and beautiful palette that we're using today by Belle Jorden and Obsession, I'm gonna use the black in the palette for my eyebrows. The black is called Lola. Can you guys see how good this complexion looks? Milk makeup is the bomb. So I'm just going in. Oh, that's black. Ooh la la. Just going in with an angled brush and drawing in little hair strokes, keeping them a little bit lighter near the front of the brow. It's gonna be a harsh brow because it's black, but if we took it really black on the inner part of the brow, it's gonna look extra, extra harsh. Now that I'm happy with the shape of the brow, I'm not gonna pick up any more product. I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend it together. This is kind of a blue black. I'm also gonna go through it with a little spoolie. That black is so pigmented. I am really looking forward to using the rest of the palette. Well, that's a brow. Now I'm gonna go in and gel them with the Milk Makeup Clear Eyebrow Gel. And we've got a real dark, fluffy brow. What do you think? I think she's pretty nice. Now I have to do the other one. Brow number 2 never goes as well. Wish me luck. We did all right on the other brow. I'm happy with it. On to the eyes. Look at how pretty she is. This palette is by Obsession Makeup and it's a collaboration with Belle Jorden. Make sure you check her out. I'll link her channel below. I really love her. I've got parent-teacher interviews tonight. I'm so torn. I feel like I should keep it chill, but I mean, but look at these colors. How can I? I guess let's just do it and see what happens. First, I'm gonna grab some Starlight. I'm gonna highlight under my brow a little bit. Nice and light, you can actually see it. Happy with that? What am I doing? I love when I can look at a palette and automatically see multiple looks. I'm gonna pop into Pops. Hello. It's a nice warm brown and it has a little bit of glitter in it. So I'm just gonna map out a little outer V. It's gonna be our little transition shade. Blend out those edges. Pick up a little bit more product and kind of just build it in the crease a little bit. She's cute. Super easy to blend, really nice to work with. Let's go into Sagittarius next. This shade looks so dreamy. I just want to put it all over my eyes, maybe my cheeks. Maybe that'll be the next video. I'm just gonna go in and pack this orange in there on the crease and in our little V here. She's delicious. I get along really well with Sagittarius. How about you? What's your sign? Let's go in with the big guy and just really blend those edges. These shadows are nice. Next, we're gonna jump into So Cute because it's so cute. I really wish all my brushes weren't dirty. Guess we're just gonna keep using this one. Again, just gonna push that into the crease. Oh my God, look at her. Oh, she's gorge. That is a lovely pink. Guys, I love the orange and this pink together. An expensive palette performs better than expensive palettes. And then a little bit more product on the brush. Just packing it into the crease again. Who wants to buy the palette already? I would. Now I'm gonna grab some 13, which this is really dark purple shade. And 13 is also my favorite number. And I'm just gonna darken the outer edge. All of these shadows work so well together, so buildable. I'm so proud. Just packing a little bit more onto the outer corner. I'm having a really hard time deciding what to put on the lid. I want to use one of the shimmers, but I'm really torn between AF, Magic, Glow Baby, and Miami. I really want to use Miami because, I mean, look at it, but I think I want to save it for a different kind of look. I'm gonna go with Glow Baby. And I'm gonna take advantage of having a broken fingernail and apply it with my finger because I can never do that. Oh, she's soft. Here she comes. Oh, she's pretty. Hi.
Hello. You look pretty.
Thanks, boo. I think we made the right choice. This is really pretty. I'm just gonna take a little bit of So Cute and throw it on the outer corner over top of that shimmer and blend it in. For the lower lid, I'm gonna pop back into Sagittarius. Pop that in there and do a really smoky pink to match the top. And then So Cute. And then a little bit of 13 just on the outer corner. I'm gonna skip liner and just go right into lashes. I'm gonna use Spice It Up from the Muse collection from Boldface. I haven't tried them yet, but they look delicious and fluffy. Look at them. Ooh. Just gonna trim one little piece off. I hate doing that. And to glue them on, I'm using my Red Cherry eyelash glue. While the glue's getting tacky, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and apply it to my waterline. And this should be ready to pop on. Hello. Every time I try a new pair from the Muse collection, they're my new favorite. Look at them. We definitely ended up with a subtle, natural parent-teacher interview look. These lashes are stunning. If you want to get some lashes, I will leave a link down below, and I'll also leave my coupon code for a discount. If you choose to use it, I get a commission, so thank you. God, I love these. Now I'm going to add mascara for my top lashes using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara and the NYX Worth the Hype mascara for my bottom lashes. And now we can complete our face. I'm going to highlight with ColourPop Flexitarian because it's amazing. I'm just going to use my finger for my cheeks. I'm going to add a little bit to the inner corner, under my brow, and my nose. For blush, I'm going to use the Obsession blush palette in Pinky Promise. It's really cute. And I'm going to use this marbled glowy one that's called Sweeten. She's pink. And I'm also going to use a little bit of Whisper because I have a blush problem. I love this. Now I'm gonna go in and add a bazillion freckles with my Freck. It is my favorite freckle maker in the world. This is another product that I have an affiliate code for. So if you'd like to save a little bit of money and support your girl, you can use It's Likely Makeup at checkout and get yourself some freckles. And just dot them on where you like your freckles and then tap them out. Belle Jordan's Obsession collab also has a lip kit. It's full of lip glosses. The colors are very much up my alley. Here are the shades. There's Ever After, Ditzy, and Wishes. I'm gonna go with Wishes. It's this nice light nude mauvey pink. Oh, that's pretty. It's actually more of a peachy shade on me. On the packaging it says lip glosses, but this seems to be drying down to more of a matte. It's also getting more of that mauvey tone as it dries. This is definitely not a gloss, but I am not mad about it because look at this color. This is like the perfect pale girl nude, and I might have a new favorite. I'm gonna go in and spray my face with my Ciate London Dewy Spritz. And now I'm gonna put on a new wig that I haven't even tried on yet. I cut it some baby bangs because why not? So let's see how it looks. Who is she? I don't know her. This is just a super cheap wig from YesStyle. I'll make sure to leave a link. I cut these choppy little bangs. Don't at me, I'm not a hairstylist. She's super long and wavy and I like her. I probably won't wear it to the parent-teacher interview because then my kids' teachers won't recognize me and they won't know who I am. Final thoughts on the palette, it's friggin' amazing. I cannot wait to use it again. Let me know if there's any looks you'd like to see with the palette. Don't forget to check out my giveaway that I'm going to put on Instagram at itslikelymakeup, and I'll see you guys in the next video.